quisiera parar el tiempo. Tienes un efecto sobre mí. I don't know why. In control it. Rótalo y enciende los motores. All night on the music, turn it up. Qué calor, qué calor. I'm in the zone, in the zone. Get lost with me. Vamos a una isla este fin. Ahorita hay coco for heat. Sin igual, tú y yo flotando en el mar. Listos para despegar. Me puedo imaginar el cielo iluminado. Noches a tu lado. No te has preguntado ¿cómo sería? Pienso en ti noche y día, prendido en candela, un feeling que quema y quema. You know me too well, I just wanna dance all night long with you, baby, till the sun comes out, till the sun comes out, with you, baby, till the sun comes out. Good morning, my beautiful people. I hope you guys are okay. I'm good. So, I was looking for my other necklace. Okay, I have this one. And then this one, I don't know what happened to it. It's stuck. And then there's another one. I just can't find it. So I'm just gonna have to go with this one. Yeah. Anyway, welcome guys, and to new subscribers, you are welcome. Thank you so much for joining our family. So what time is it now? It's 9:30. I'm going to Tambo to get my little sister. Yeah, she's flying in from Cape Town. So her flight departed at 10 to 9. So I don't know, how long does it take from Cape Town to Joburg? Is it 2 hours? Yeah. So I'm getting ready to leave because I don't want her to wait when she gets there. Yeah. Hopefully I'm not the one who's gonna have to wait. So I want to go outside to show you guys my outfit. So it's almost 10 o'clock. I think I'm gonna Uber now. Yeah, I'll see what to do when I get there, if I get there early. Yeah, so I'll Uber now because it's quite a distance to get there. Yeah, and why is Uber so expensive? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay, luckily I have 50% off, which is good because wow. And one other thing, I need to send my Uber link to one of our other siblings in case I get lost, because the last time I was at Tambo was last year February, so I don't want to get lost. I'm waiting for an Uber. kusemncane.
Safety is our top priority.
Extremo y violento, y falta de conexión. Busco remedio, algo espiritual, hechizo, pociones, algo natural. Estoy tocando base, tratando de hacer la paz. Life spinning out of control, feels like I'm stuck in slow mo. De repente me vuela la mente, lazo que trascenderá, mi camino iluminar. Tell me with things on my turn out alright. Yo te voy a dar algo que te va a elevar. Suelta rápido ya, siente la corriente.
Good afternoon, guys. We are going to the mall. We want to buy a container because we want to bake, so want a container to store our bakings. Yeah, the last time I spoke to you guys was yesterday. Yeah, sorry. So let me show you guys my outfit. Okay. Let's go. Hi guys. So my sister and I want to bake right now. I'm gonna make chocolate bread and scones. Yeah, vanilla scones. And then she's gonna make chocolate muffins and cappuccino muffins. Yeah, and I'm also gonna close the vlog here. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Oh, by the way, tomorrow we are traveling to Mpumalanga, Bushbuckridge. So my next videos will be in Bushbuckridge. That's it almost. Anyway, without rambling, bye guys. Thank you for watching.
You told people I'm your best friend. That's what hurts the most about the way you've let it end. The night you had my heart in your hands. Did you even think about me before you pressed send? The first lie is something I can get over, but the second one you had your chance, yeah you did not tell me the truth until I asked you, are you sure? Then you tore apart what we had, replaced me with a stranger in your bed. How will I ever trust you again? And do you even understand the hurt that you caused now runs through my veins? And I gotta deal with all of this pain. You can never say that I didn't care, 'cause you're the one that broke our pinky swear. Guess it's easy to say I had you under a spell, so you don't need to take a hard look at yourself. Just keep running and show no remorse. I guess that's always been part of your course. You called me crying and begging to pick you up. Was that just you making use of my foolish love? 'Cause when I gave you what you need, you said that you could stand on your own 2 feet. Then you tore apart what we had, replaced me with a stranger in your bed. How will I ever trust you again?
Dumelang. Hello. I know I closed the vlog. I know. I just wanted to say hi from the other side of the world. Yeah, I'm in Bushbuckridge. Okay, bye.